I have been working as a realtor for over 10 years. But even now, my clients periodically ask, why do we even need realtors? They do nothing but carry keys and open doors. And then they ask for huge commissions for it. Let me explain what a realtor actually does in Germany. So let's begin. First, based on the property inspection, our experience, and your documents, we conduct a market valuation of the property. The real price, the price the market is willing to pay today, not a fantasy. Second, we verify the legal status of the property and gather all necessary documents. If something is missing, we know where and how to obtain it. Third, we advise on repairs and improving the property's presentation. If needed, we recommend trusted craftsmen. Fourth, we create professional internet brochures, photos, and video presentations, sometimes in multiple languages. Fifth, we post listings on Germany's leading platforms, Immobilien Scout 24, Imminent, eBay Kleinanzeigen, and others. Paid listings on such websites can cost hundreds of euros per month for each platform separately, and the sale can last 6 months or longer. We additionally promote the property on social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, via email, and offline. We also place sale signs on the property windows and offer the property to our database of financially capable clients. Sixth, we conduct a preliminary legal check. We look for encumbrances, debts, who the tenants are and how much they pay, verify if there are grounds for rent increases or eviction, whether the property is legally protected as a cultural monument, and if it can be rebuilt or expanded. We verify the actual area and what is included in the property and what is not. Sometimes owners don't even know how many rooms they have according to documents. Seventh, we prepare the property for viewings, organize and conduct them, saving you time and nerves. Eighth, we provide well-reasoned reports on the progress of the sale and recommend next steps. Ninth, we conduct viewings at convenient times, including in different languages. We respond to legal, tax, technical, and practical questions. In the 10th point, if there are interested buyers or tenants, we negotiate on price, terms, furnishings, repairs, and prepare reservation documents for the property. In the 11th point, we recommend a notary and fill out a form for them about the seller, buyer, and property. In the 12th point, we help understand the purchase and sale agreement. If necessary, we translate and accompany you during signing. In the 13th point, even after the deal, we stay in touch. We assist in communication with the buyer, seller, notary, and authorities. There are many questions, and someone who can explain and guide is needed. In the 14th point, we organize the transfer of the property, agree on the date, hand over keys, record meter readings, and prepare a transfer protocol. In the 15th point, we ensure the notary receives payment on time and records the transaction in the land registry. We notify the property management about the change of ownership. In the 16th point, we assist with further communication. When hidden defects surface, we address the issues. We take the property under management and rent it out if needed. In the 17th, we have reliable partners, lawyers, tax consultants, brokers, appraisers, architects, insurers. We advise on how to connect electricity, internet, gas, phone, and so on. Moreover, a professional realtor is like a Swiss Army knife. We know a little bit of everything and can do everything. Now it's up to you. Are we wasting our bread or not? Write in the comments what you think about our profession. Like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video on social media. Bye.